Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I would like to take you through the journey of data manipulation for those that are writing their financial modeling exams in December. The ZCAT students particularly, your exams are in PDF and you are required to export that data in Excel. It's not part of the exam, but it's part of the technique that can be used to expedite your processes. So let me just take you through on some of the data, particularly the data that is contained in log 1, your assignment, so that I just show you how you can easily export this data into Excel, manipulate it a bit, and structure it in the manner that you can use it for your analysis for your further tasks. Okay, so you have this data. Remember, this is your assignment. So if you're in the exam, just pick the whole thing like this. Sorry. Drag it down up there. Copy. Go to Excel. You can have it whichever column that you didn't fit. Sorry. You right click. Go to Paste Special. Pick text and press OK. So what you do from here, you go to data. Please master this technique. You go to data. You go to text columns. You press on text, on next, sorry. So you have this. You have seen that the C is going to be in the first column, but doesn't matter. You're going to manually put the correct it manually. Just go down to check if there are any numbers that have gone the other side. There's nothing. We cannot, for example, cut here. The problem is that we cut a number of numbers, so we'll just leave it as is. Then you press next, you press OK. So you have created 3 columns. These are the columns you have created. Maybe do like this, create some space. So on transaction ID, you see you should have client here. So you can just type client. Then there you needed to have, oh, this should have been transaction ID as is. There you just needed to have your C. So now we have a problem. There should ideally be 4 columns. The transaction ID, client, institutional package, service, then the amount beside. So we needed to have the amount. Cut. I have it here. No. Okay. These are the headers. Then from here you can use what we call the flash fill. So you know that in the last column is amounts, we should have ZMK 124. Just type it like this. You go to ZMK 230. So you see it has come. So all you do, you just press enter. That is what you do. You just press enter. If you don't want, you highlight them and press Ctrl E. Okay, let me say, suppose you just add these numbers like this. So all you do, you just highlight up to the end. So up to the end, then hold Ctrl and E, or go to Home, go to Flash Fill here on Fill, and press Flash Fill. Then it will flash the numbers that you want, like this. Right? That is what you do. If you don't want to do that, like I've shown you, then just do this. I'll come here and say ZMK. To 30.00. I can come here and say ZMK. You see the numbers, now we have them. All you do, you just press enter. They will flash fill. Now, after doing this, we can go there, here, and start removing these numbers manually. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time and it will not make sense. So we'll use a formula. We'll say equals left. You can open it like this. Press text in there. Number of characters. Len. It actually measures the length of the text minus len, the amount there. So we'll be able to extract the information that we want. I think we put even -1, I think, so that we close the space and press OK. Okay, see? Let's check. Just check to verify that this is what we've picked. You can see all of them going up to, okay, this one here, it has missed a bit. So we can do this. If I open there, I remove the -1, something like this. I don't want it to pick the ZMW. I don't want it to pick the ZMW. So what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? If we say equals find in this text, we want to find which text do we want to find? We want to find ZMK. ZMK within which text? Within this text. From where? From 1. It's like this. We can say, oh, ZMW. ZMW. So I want to find ZMW. So press OK. So we know that's in that one. So if we bring in now len, watch what I'm going to do. So, not len, sorry. What is this? Left. Right. So from the left, we pick the text there. Command number of characters, whatever we find there. Minus. Minus. Or say -1. Let's see where it takes us. we can say -2 so that we kill off the space there and press OK. Let's see. Wow, done. So this is how you do it. You know that here there's nothing that is there. So done. Copy this, remove the formula, go to values and pick it from here, copy, bring it there. You would have cleaned your data. This is the easiest way to clean your data, right? Happy? So I expect you to do this in the exam. Then you clean your data and you now move on, and that will be the smarter way of doing it. Thank you so much and bye bye.